Amazon.com Incorporated, a multinational technology company, announced their second quarter 2023 earnings August 3. Revenue was up almost 11% year-over-year to $135 billion. A breakdown of their revenue by divisions showed North America, the biggest division, posted $82.5 billion, up 10.9%. The international business came in at $30 billion, up 9.7%. The cloud business, AWS, reported $22 billion, up 12.2%. The income statement shows Amazon had a gross margin of 48%, up 7% year-over-year. Q2 2022 reported a net loss, so year-over-year change figures will seem excessively large. Operating income was $7.7 billion and pre-tax income $7.6 billion, both slightly shy of 6% of revenue. Net income was $6.75 billion, up from the Q2 2022 loss of $2 billion. Enterprise value is around $1.5 trillion. Shares outstanding grew 274 million, or 2.7% of the total float. Earnings per share was 65 cents, much improved from the 20-cent loss in Q2 2022. Sales per share was 12.9 times, up 8%. Cash per share was $5.16, up 6%. Book value was $14, down 15%. Shareholder equity was down by $22 billion, or 13%. Price earnings at 54, annualized, is rather lofty when the S&P 500 is trading at 25.7. Leverage ratios were worse as the company added $4 billion in long-term debt to the balance sheet. With a debt-to-asset ratio of 0.15, the firm still has more room for debt servicing, however. Debt-to-equity was worse by 23% to 0.46. Equity was lower and debt was higher. Interest coverage at 13.2 shows that Amazon has large operating income with respect to interest payments. The current ratio at 0.94 and the quick ratio at 0.72 show that the company's short-term obligations can easily be covered. The cash to short-term liabilities is 0.35. Amazon reported a return on assets of 5.84 annualized. Return on equity was 18.5% with an equity multiplier of 3.17. The cash flow statement showed operating cash flow was up to $16.5 billion. Investing cash outflows were almost negative $10 billion and financing activities saw negative cash flow of $6.5 billion. Their free cash flow stood at $50 billion at the end of Q2 2023. Amazon doesn't pay a dividend.